Hi everyone and welcome to the Jungle Goddess Kitchen. I'm going to share a quick video on how to make hummus, a dip made with chickpeas. So you're going to need kind of chickpeas, salt, lemon, garlic, olive oil, some liquid to get the right consistency, and tahini is optional. It does push the price up, but you don't need it. So you want to drain your chickpeas. Aquafaba is the liquid that you'll find in a chickpea can, or if you soak chickpeas, it's a really good egg replacement. So if you're plant-based and you're looking for a substitute for eggs, you can use this. So I save that for use in other cooking. So you want to rinse and drain, or drain and rinse your chickpeas. This is quite a big lemon, so I'm going to put the juice of half of it in, and then I'll see if I want any more acidity afterwards. There's 1 crushed clove of garlic, two tablespoons of tahini, pinch of salt, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to blend and then taste. So I'm going to add a little bit of liquid in here to get a better consistency. Now you may need to scrape down the inside. These silicone spatulas are great in the kitchen for things like this. I can also have a taste to see what it's missing, if anything. So I'm going to go ahead and put the other half of a lemon in here. And a little more olive oil. And there you have tahini. Now I'm about to cook some falafels. You can have it with chips, with toasted pita bread, with vegetable sticks. It's really versatile, and there's enough in here for 3 or 4 meals. So it makes a great lunch, and as you can see, super quick to make. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Remember to like and share if you did. And I'll come back to you another time with another recipe. All right, take care, bye.